All right, we're good. Okay, so number 1, number 2, number 3 is P. Number 4 for questions form. 5 suppose and E and P have.
I think a compliment.
My audio is delayed, I think, today.
Oh, okay. Like my words and my mouth are off?
No, mine is.
Oh, it's okay. I'm not even looking at the video. Good. I like when Zach reads the questions.
I know. Hold on. I'm getting confused. Zach just said he's getting on right now, but I'm hearing a review of our conversation 5 minutes ago.
Okay, so you probably are watching our video. That makes sense.
Can you type what you just said? Because you're talking at the same time that a conversation is going on from 5 minutes ago.
Okay.
All right. Let's see if that fixes it. Okay. So, hi, Zach.
Hi.
We miss you reading the questions.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, we haven't. So.
I had to go downtown to go pick up my wife from school.
Fun. I have to tell you guys, my husband and I got 100% out of debt today.
That is so exciting.
It is. I'm super excited. We are not in debt at all. Our car is paid off. Our credit cards are paid off. I'm super excited.
Nice. Yeah. That is amazing.
Just in time for us to move states.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. What number are we on?
I think number 4 is true. That's what we're on.
I think that's true. The true population is P, right? Number 3? P?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Number 5. The requirements for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. You can find the standard deviation. No, wait. I think that's false.
Don't you have to have X?
Yeah, I think that one's false.
Yeah, I think it's false.
Because you have to have X, and we don't have X.
Yeah. A study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. Find P hat the point estimate of the proportion of first-degree murder defendants who are found guilty in the state.
I really need to organize my notes. There we go. Isn't it 0.75? Because p hat is x over n, right?
Yep.
What is x, though? Isn't that the 45?
Yeah, that's what I would say. That's
The x is, it should be 45 divided by 60.
Yeah, which is 0.75.
Create a 95% confidence interval of the true proportion of first-degree murder trials in this state with a verdict of guilty.
Right. Nice. Yeah.
So we need the standard deviation. Correct?
oh
No?
yes, we do.
Oh, okay.
Wait, how do we figure out the margin of error?
I don't think we need the margin of error, do we?
No.
Yeah, because so in the Word document with the answer key or whatever, on part 2, number 1, you're figuring out the confidence interval. And on C, determine the margin of oh, never mind. Hold on. Yeah, and then to figure it out, it's P.
It'd be, to figure it out,
So you don't need the margin of error yet.
it would be, for the 95%
It's
confidence
the
interval,
second one.
it'd be 0.75 plus minus 2 times the standard deviation.
2? No, at 1.96, right? Plus
No.
1.96 is 95%.
So it's usually rounded to 2. I mean, I guess you could do 0.196. Yeah, you could do that too.
So
Yeah, I guess it's more exact.
I got the second one. 6.640 and 0.860.
Yeah, that seems right. What I was doing. My calculator was going to die. My calculator's going to die. You okay with that, Megan?
Yeah, can you explain it one more time?
Yeah,
So-
so in the
Yeah.
wiki,
Yeah.
if you just look up 2.2 confidence interval, it'll pull up the formula for you.
Okay.
It's the formula to find the standard deviation. Use that.
So what did you guys get for the standard deviation?
Well, I guess it didn't work it out itself. Let me just work it out really quick first.
Lots of zeros.
Yeah.
So I guess for just the standard deviation, I got 0.0559. 0.1699.
Okay. Okay. All right. I'm good then.
If you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen to the width of the confidence interval? Wouldn't it increase?
Yeah. Because isn't that the same discussion we had last time? If we used more or less people, would our margin of error be more or less?
Yeah.
So our confidence would increase.
Okay.
To conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, 2 requirements to be met. Suppose P equals half, was the smallest, N can be, and both requirements still be met.
We missed this last time.
Because the thing is, for P equal 1 over 2, it would be, this is in my head at least, 1 is X and is 2.
Yeah.
That ding was like kind of perfect. It's kind of weird. So that would be, N would have to be 2, but I don't know if that's right.
That makes sense though. Like, because yes, X is 1 and then N is 2. So the least, or the smallest number N can be is 2 because you can use more than the sample, but you can't use less. So should we
I don't
go
know if
with
that was
two?
right.
I have no idea.
Yeah, I guess it was 2. Take another hypothetical test for one proportion. 2 questions met. Suppose P equals 110. What is the smallest n can be with both parts still be met? So it'll be 10.
I'm looking through all my notes right now.
Because last time I looked at the notes, I didn't find anything.
If we want to move on to the other ones, I'll keep searching through my notes. So we can go with 2 and 10 for now, and I'll keep searching my notes.
Alright.
Okay.
For questions 1 to 16, these are following information. For the for the water quality study in the reading, about 60% of the macroinvertebrate water quality indicators have historically been associated with good health. Researchers suspect that water quality in the area has decreased. They conduct a hypothesis test using the significance level 0.05. The following hypothesis: P equals 0.6, P is less than 0.6. They collect new data this time, n equals 80 and x equals 38, indicate good health. The conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. Wouldn't that be true?
Yep.
P have x, you have n. Find P hat. The last time I said that, I said we should find an SPSS, and we were wrong. So I don't know.
Um, yeah, um, I think it's true. I might be wrong, but I think it's true.
What did you say? Sorry.
I think it's true. I might be wrong, but I think it's true.
We can get P hat.
What?
And then we also have the level of significance. So seems to me like you should be able to. Right? I don't know.
I mean, it tells us everything that we need to find stuff. The last time I said yes, it's like, oh, we can find an SPSS, we were wrong. I don't want to be like, yes, we can.
Oh. Well, are you saying like it would be false because they don't give us all the information, but we can find it?
Yeah, because I'm wondering, because last time, yeah, I'm saying like we can find p hat from doing the x divided by n. But is it saying it's not satisfactory? We don't know that. We have to do it our own math. I don't know. I'm assuming that it's true, but I can reason both ways, which I just like I can do. But I'll go with true. It's my gut statement. So my gut is usually right. Sometimes not. Okay, find the z-score. Okay, find p hat. P hat was 0.475. Let me find the z-score. It's a really long decimal. I need 10. Come here, grad plan. You do nothing.
Yeah.
My standard deviation is a really big number. What should we have to get for a standard deviation?
No, I don't work out the standard deviation out separately usually.
Oh, okay. Never mind then.
So I got a negative number, which is fine, I know, but I got negative 2.282.
Now we need the apple.
Right, and then divided by 2. Oh wait, no, we don't need half of it. Well, we need half of it for the p-value.
Yeah, that's what we need p-value. What half do we want?
Oh, I get what you're saying now.
We want the left half. Is it 828 or 282?
Is that what you got too, Zach? Is negative 2.282?
I didn't go that far. I went just to the standard deviation.
I never got the whatever it's called.
The p-value
The standard deviation.
is 0.011. It was 0.0111.
Wait, so what did you get for the standard deviation?
0.0558317785.
Okay, so mine is a little bit different than yours.
I might have done mine wrong though.
What did you do?
I did 1 minus 0.475. Then I did 0.525 times 0.475.
So isn't 475 p hat?
Yeah.
Well, don't we use just p to get the standard deviation?
So is it?
Pretty sure.
What is the? We're using too many p's. What does the p with like the 0 beneath it mean, or next to it on the bottom right? Do you guys know what I'm talking about?
The p?
Yeah, it's a p. It's like this.
P hat?
No, it's not p hat. That. Is that backwards to you guys?
I'm trying.
Well, then I don't know.
You know? Okay,
Looks
that
like
doesn't
null
look familiar.
something to me.
Okay, because I was reading something about the minimal or whatever, and it says the formula above is appropriate for large samples, defined when the smaller of NPO and N1 minus PO is at least 5. But then, oh, so we have, oh, there's a, for 9 and 10, there's a formula for it. I don't know. Okay, you guys keep working on that. I'm looking at this formula. When I figure out this formula, I'll let you know.
Okay. So for finding the standard deviation, we just use p.
Just P? Okay. That's right. I wasn't sure if it's P or P hat. I couldn't remember. Okay. That's why mine's different than yours. So you're right. I was wrong.
Yeah, I just got negative 2.282.
Okay. And then the
And
P
then
value.
did you plug that into the?
What?
Sorry, go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
The p-value was 0.011. There's a left side only, I took. It's a negative number, so I'm going to pick the left side. What is the decision for this test? So 0.01 is smaller than 0.05. That means we failed to reject, correct?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I can't remember. I'm pulling up my notes. I should know that by now off the top of my head, but I still don't.
No.
If it's reject or not.
Yeah. Which of the following best summarize the conclusion of the test? I'll have to reread the question again.
Oh, so no. You know what happened to that? Oh, probably not.
So it would be, there is insufficient evidence to conclude that the water quality in the area has decreased. Correct?
Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. I think I figured out 9 and 10. Okay, so for a sample size or whatever, it has to at least be 5. So it's n times p equals 5 is the formula, I think. And so, because on Monday's homework, when we put it has to at least be, I think we said 4, but I think the answer is 5. And then, but it's n times p equals 5. So n times 0.5 equals 5. The answer is 10. So 9 would be 10. And then on number 10, n times 1/10 equals 5. The answer would be 50.
All right.
Let's.
What do you mean?
That's my best guess.
We'll find out.
Okay.
Wait,
so
what did you put?
Which number, Victoria?
16.
I said that there's insufficient
What did
evidence
you put?
to conclude that the water quality in the area has decreased. So I put B. Because the whole test is trying to see if it decreased, and then have evidence to prove that the water actually decreased. The quality.
Okay. I gotta catch up to you guys. What did you get to 12 for 12?
So you put
Yeah, B. 12 was 0.475.
0.475. And then 13?
Negative 2.282.
82. Okay. And then 14?
0.011.
And 15?
Failed to reject.
It's 15. Oh, yeah. And then 16 is what we're on.
Yeah, I said it's B.
There is insufficient. Hold on. We failed to reject.
Yeah.
If p values are consistent, then you have enough evidence. Is if we fail to. Yes. I think yes. There's insufficient evidence.
So you think it's B?
Has. Hold on. Where's the wording? Has. For the water quality study in the reading, about 60% of the water quality indicators have historically been associated with good health. Has not in the area. Evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has decreased. Yes, yes, I think it's B. It's either B or D, but I think it's B.
I'm pretty sure it's B.
Yeah.
Because their whole test was to see if it decreased.
Yeah. All right. Are we ready to submit this scary thing?
I am.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, what?
Sorry, guys. I totally got those wrong.
Wow. That
Was
Sucked.
horrible.
Wow.
My tutor's been on vacation and he doesn't get back till Friday.
But you guys got D's, right?
Yep.
Yep.
What the heck?
I'll ask him about 9 and 10 on Friday.
It's so bad.
I'll let you guys know.
Well, good deal, guys. We tried.
I wish it gave us the answers. Like,
It does. Doesn't it? Oh, like 9 and 10?
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Also, I don't know. Maybe we should have kept one of those, the other one.
That's okay.
Well,
Okay. Is there's something due Saturday, right? For
Yeah.
the project?
Yeah.
Okay, what's due Saturday?
Zach's part.
So, Zach, do you want to just email us your part?
yeah, I'll do that.
Do you have our emails?
It should be on that list at the beginning of class.
Okay.
If not, I'll send you a text in case I don't have it.
All right, sounds good. Are we doing? Sorry about the text message thing. I was having a really off day that day.
That's fine.
So are we gonna do the same store?
Well, it can't be the same store because I won't be in this. I'll have the same store.
Well, no.
So the whole point was you go to a different store, and then you go to just a grocery store. We have 40 items. Let's say we all pick. So we choose 40 items. It'll be orange juice, potatoes, bananas, and I'll write down the price we see at the store.
And they have to be the same brand, right?
Yeah, we put the same brand. Or we can just put basic items that don't have to be the same brand. We can always just say the cheapest possible.
Okay, so how many items are we gonna do? 15?
You want to do 15? That's fine.
Do we want to do more than that? I don't.
I don't. 15's fine.
Okay, so we can do like a 16-ounce jar of Skippy peanut butter.
Yeah. So what I end up doing is I'll make a quick list of like 15 common items like Orloff French fries or whatever. Just normal basic items, bread. And then I'll just send out the list to you guys and start getting the numbers.
Okay, can you have the ounce size with it so we're not like someone
Yeah.
doesn't do a small orange juice and then a really large orange juice?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right.
Can we pick which store we can go to since we don't all go to the same stores?
Yeah, because I don't have the same store too. If you don't have one.
So what store do you shop at, Zach?
Giant Eagle.
A what?
Okay, different.
Yeah.
Victoria, where do you shop?
Well, I'll go to Walmart if you're not there.
I don't shop at Walmart. Well, I do, but not for my groceries. Too far. I have like Fred Meyer and Safeway
Yeah, I don't have that at all.
and Winco. I have all that. So I'll just choose one of those, whichever
pick
one
one.
I go to.
Make sure to write down the name of the store, the state,
Okay.
and we'll go from there.
Okay. When are you gonna have that list out to us?
Hopefully before Friday.
Okay. Sounds good.
Want more noodles? Okay, sounds good.
All right. I will talk to you guys. Probably we'll interact this weekend as things happen. So.
I am.
We'll figure it out.
Bye.
All right. Bye, guys. Let us know if we can help you, Zach.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Later.
Hi.